Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create defect bug in Jira. So simply what you need to do, just you can see there are multiple options available here, but what we need to do, just on the top side just click on create. So here you can select the project you want to create the defect or bug. So simply select the bug option here. Now here you need to adjust the status, and you can also type the summary here, like I'm typing the random words here. So after this you can also add some description here. So add some description. So when you successfully added the description, you can also assign the members here. Currently I don't have any members. Now select the label. So here you can also select the sprint. You can also upload your personal file here. So simply after this, just you have to click on create. So in this way you can easily create defect bug in Jira.